Hey guys, this is the new 2023 Encore ROG 16RB. We are the exclusive dealer in the DFW area for this trailer. This trailer is totally amazing. It has no wood in it whatsoever. It is totally steel and aluminum construction. Has an Asdel fiberglass body up here. Comes with the solid step system over here. We walk around the front over here. Again, you see it's all aluminum and steel. You've got a place up here for your bottles. You can also put the bigger bottle if you want to. You've got a full-size off-road spare tire. You've got the wheel down here so you can maneuver it inside a garage, shed, or underneath a carport. Comes with a power tongue jack. Diamond plate front up here. It does have 30 amp service, so you do have power. Okay. Now when you look up here, I'm going to show you something real quick. On each of the corners up here is a 12-volt power supply. They put those on there so you can add accessories like lights, cameras. They have a high-definition TV antenna. You've got extra slots up here that you can put a flagpole on. Lots of really cool accessories with it. On this 2023 16RB ROG, has a one-piece fiberglass roof that starts from the bottom and comes all the way back over here. So that way you have less chances of leakage, okay? You have two max air vents power inside to pull the fumes out and to bring air in if you want to. You have a low profile 15K AC unit up here. Now the bars you see across up here will hold 100 pounds each. So it's really simple to be able to put your kayaks up here or whatever type of equipment you'd like to carry with you. You've also got the rivets through here to be able to tie down securely on all this. Here's the ladder that goes up to the side that you saw me up on earlier. Again, all aluminum. Off-road tires. Your freshwater tanks right here. Look at the storage in this trailer. Absolutely amazing. Nice, clean, finished. Has lights inside over there. You can carry a lot of camping equipment in here. You've got an outside spray port out here in case you get dirty. You can hose off all your equipment, your feet from the beach or wherever you're at. Wash the dogs off. You've got 4 stabilizers all along each of the corners over here. Now, I mentioned to you it's Sasquatch proof. There's the proof right there. I guess that'd be bear proof too if you're in New Mexico. It does come with a bag awning up here and a lot of cool features back here. Now the back over here opens up and you've got a screen, so on the nice cool nights you can leave that open for a breeze, or you can slide equipment in here, whatever you want to take. Now with this closed, this is my favorite part about this. It doesn't have the magnet up here, it's got a nice lever up here that catches that. I need longer arms. Again, this is all aluminum, powder coated. Look at all the storage you've got in there. Look how tough this trailer is. Now down here, you've got your main light switch, port lights. You've got your 12-volt refrigerator over here that you can turn on or off. So if you're gonna have the trailer parked for a while, make sure you always turn that off. You've got extra charging ports. You've got your water pump, your fresh tank. It tells you all the gauges as far as empty, half full, or whatever. In through here, nice and clean, easy to get to. Again, aluminum, no rotting. You've got a nice sink up here. And you've got a cooktop, 2-burner high output stove. Steel right there. That way you can cook your bacon outside. Get that up. You got your 12-volt refrigerator back here to keep your drinks. Refreshments nice and cool. And it just looks cool. With the awning out here, the bag awning comes all the way back out here, so that way if it's sprinkling or raining a little bit, you don't get wet. Now, as I mentioned to you earlier, there's another one of those 12-volt ports. They're on each corner of the trailer, and they have their own power switch. You've got an outside plug over here. You've got 2 extra ports out here if you want to bring a grill or a deep fryer, whatever you want to bring on propane. And as I mentioned, it's 100% wood-free. There's the pass-through storage. You can see how much room you've got in there. It goes all the way through. You've got the easy solid step system. Let me show you on the inside. talk about storage and room inside this trailer. Look at that. All that room in there. You can put your rifles in there, your camping gear, whatever you can think of, you can put in there. Lots of room, nicely covered, carpet covered for insulation. You've got your breaker box right above here with all your switches and fuses. And again, aluminum. These act like supports through here, which gives it that structural warranty on it. You've got these deep drawers that pull out. You've got your outside faucet over here. And of course, a place for the coffee pot. You got drawers through here. This spot here is a great place again for storage for boots, or you could put a portable potty in here. That'll slide right in there. You've got your refrigerator and freezer right over here, and your microwave right above it. Your control panel's right up here, nice and neat and very well labeled. You've got your main light switch over here, your cabinet lights, porch lights, your underglow lights for the lights underneath the trailer. You've got your 12-volt heater right over here, and you've got USB charging ports over here again. Now the four corners out there that I showed you with the extra 12-volt power systems, these are all the controls. So that way if you want to run the lights, you want to run a camera, you want to put your HD TV antenna, you've got power over those. You've got the JBL speaker system over here that has two speakers in the cabinet, in the cab, but you can Bluetooth over here too. Just a nice clean work over here. Everything looks just really nice. Now when you switch to the back over here, you can see you've got a big old bed up here. I mean, there's plenty of room up here to get up here and lay down. You've got your TV that moves around however you want to position it. You've got the speakers up here, and again you've got the aluminum sides over here for storage with the little rubber bands up in there to keep things up there. Very well built, structurally sound trailer. Your furnace is right over here with your switch. Now a lot of people always complain that, oh, it's broke, there's something wrong with it. You really got to push hard on this, and they make it that way so that way you don't accidentally bump it and leave the heater on it. Okay, underneath your seats over here, you can pull these out and you have storage down here, a little bit of storage down here. Now that's your heater down there, so you don't want to put too much down in there. But that's where that is. Over here, you've got storage and where your lithium battery goes. Now there's enough room in here that you could put 3 batteries in here if you so desired to. But at United, you do get a lithium battery with each of them. There's a bracket that goes right here with a table that sits up here. So that way you're able to sit down, have dinner. You can move the TV around any way you want to. You've got the max air vents like I mentioned. It's just a super cool trailer. No carpet, easy to clean, easy to take care of, and easy to stand up in, and lots of storage. Okay, so there you have it, the 2023 ROG Encore 16 RB. It's a great little trailer. It's under 3,000 pounds. Again, it can be pulled by a small truck, small SUV. Now, with all purchases here at United RV, you become a member of the Route 66 family, which has dealers all across the United States in case you need any type of service. Again, thank you all for coming by and watching this video. Please subscribe, put comments down there. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Go to our website for pricing. Again, at United RV, we have no hidden fees or costs out there. Everything is totally transparent. We're family owned and operated. I hope you and your family have a great day, and God bless you.